What's going on, guys? Quick video today for you. We have the holiday today, but the market is still open. The futures are still trading. And I took a nice trade here as we came into yesterday's high. Excuse me. And we kind of stalled. We opened the next hour. I got long at this hourly long. It's a daily long. It's a 15, a 30-minute long. There's a setup on every time frame, so I really liked it long. I took two contracts of NQ. I sold the first one into this little pop here, and now I'm just holding on to the second one to see where I want to take it off here. Now we're about to open the hour, which is why I started recording. And what I'm thinking is I'm gonna be selling it soon because we didn't push through. Can you see that there? No, you gotta see it here. We didn't quite push through this setup at 90. Now we're gonna make a good long setup here at 82. So we're kind of stuck in between a long and a short setup. Now I'm still long biased, but do I want to sit around all day and wait for this to work? Not really. I got in, really good spot, almost no drawdown after this, and we're just kind of trending upwards. So it's been a pretty easy trade. I'm up a little bit at least. We're up 15 points on the last contract here. I'm just trying to find where I want to sell. Now if we push right into 90 again at that short setup, I'll probably sell the last contract. Right now I have the order at 96, I think, 97. But one more push here at the open of the hour, I'll take it, and we'll probably call it. But that's all you got to do. The first day of the live account. Here it is. Decent little day. That's on one contract. That's 20 points, 25 points. But I used two, so not bad. Now let's just see what happens here. Open of the hour in 45 seconds. Let's check a bunch of time frames here. Yeah, the 15 minutes got room. 30 minutes got room. Yeah, and like I said, the 60 minute has room to 90. I'm tempted to like let it run all day, because usually on these days off as well, it's low volume, but we trade the ranges. Like nothing in the middle usually works, but if you trade the extremes, like from here up to like either this area or this area, those are usually the best trades. But I just kind of want to lock it in. So open of the hour here. If we make it up to 06, or sorry, if we make it up there by 11:06, 11:07-ish, I will take it off. We just keep popping into this and selling off, but everything to me is pointing long. Like I said, that's a long setup there, but we could probably see it better on this chart. There we go. The moving averages are flat. There's short setups. I'm inclined to take this off because I think the long is the trade, especially going into tomorrow and next week. But I don't think it's the trade totally right now. So let me move this down. We'll sell it up into 87. We just need a little bit more of a push, and then I'll lock in like 500-ish USD, which is not bad for an hour and a half. 86. Give me 86.50. I should get it. 86. I made it to 86.25. Just one more little push up here. And of course, we dump. This is what I mean by today. It's kind of, how do you say it? It's very choppy. Once you get that first move, man, this could go all the way back down to the setup, and then find the new highs like 3 hours from now, and I'm not willing to do that. I'm tempted to take it, but we'll see. Let's see. The actual long setup is at 82. So really, that was the long setup. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES 23.75 closed at 23. Yeah, I mean that's a long setup. So maybe I'll just have to wait. What I will do is I'll raise my stop. So break even is at 70 now, and I don't want it if we, like ES could come all the way back down to here, which would mean NQ would probably find this little liquidity area. Break even is 70. Let's just have it 75. 5 points in profit. All right, we come all the way back down to 75. See, I felt that coming, which is why I wanted to sell it here at 84, but that's okay. That's all right. We're just pressing down into the long setups, like I said. This could get bought up. This could take all through lunchtime, and we could finally push up into this area. So I'm not too worried. I don't think that's going to happen here on stream, so I'll keep it nice and short. Nothing else really going on here. Nice first day in the account. Even if I get stopped out down at 75, it'll be a nice little trade. So, yeah. Just wait till tomorrow. There's a bunch of news coming out. Nvidia's still running like crazy. Let me check Nvidia. Nvidia's holding, man. 390, like Nvidia could easily head up towards 500, and I wouldn't be surprised. Like 450, 500. So watch tech next week. We might keep ripping. That'll make NQ continue to rip. So well, let's see. We'll give it like 2 more minutes here, and I'll just try to chat about something. What am I going to chat about? I don't know. It's a holiday in the U.S., but I still work because I'm in Canada. And the futures are open, so I can work and trade at the same time here. I'm just doing a quick recording. So we'll see. If this sets up a 5-minute short, again, I'll be tempted to take it off. But we'll see, man. I'm getting antsy because I can feel it. I can feel that the long is sort of died out a bit. I know we've only bounced 15 points. But I get nervous when we rip, and then we just kind of hang out and we bleed and we bleed and we bleed and we bleed, and then like sometimes the bleeding just turns into a dump, and then sometimes it doesn't. So I like taking the quick day trade and not allowing the lower probability swing to play out or not. Well, that's another long setup. So we'll see. Dip into 82 there. Yeah, wouldn't be too surprised. So we'll see. I'm gonna cut it off here. Either way, I'm making money on the trade and on the day. So peace.